Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys battery power saving mode guys. How can we turn off in our Realme phone? Friends, you want to off guys your battery saving, so as you can off from your Realme phone setting. And guys, now let's see how to go battery saver power saving mode in our Realme phone. In this video I will show you friends. But before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're in my channel and friends you are watching my video first time, so friend, first of all subscribe my channel, and guys after subscribe guys click the bell icon also. So friends, now time to start video. And first of all open your phone setting to off your battery saving. Then guys you can see guys your battery setting. Friends, tap here and guys you can see power saving mode. So friends, you want to off, so guys you can off from here. And guys after guys you can see the setting will remove from here. Guys you want to the setting again, so guys you will have to on it. So friends, you want to off guys power saving mode, and guys you can see your battery icon will be not yellow. So I hope friends you have understood how to turn off battery save power saving mode in our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.